Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use text after function in Excel. So let's start. This is Maxel and the text after function is used to extract the text that comes after a specific character or substring in a cell. So let's start how it's used. Here you can see I have a text value and I just select here the cell and use the is equal to and enter here the text after function. So I select here and after that I select the text value, then use the comma in double quote, give the space here, again use the double quote, bracket close and enter. That's it. Here you can see the text after you're showing. So I just copy this formula and paste here in below cell. And here I see the text after is powerful, then blue and green, then banana and cherry, and here in last 2 and 3. So this is a way you can use here the text after function in Excel. Hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.